Alright, I am actually getting new tires for my Versata Riviera right here. These tires that I have on it currently, there's nothing wrong with them. They're the original tires, but they're still in pretty good shape. They're Kenda tires. I don't know the exact model. They're a standard, well, you can't really say a standard 26, can you? Which, we'll talk about 26 here in a couple minutes here. Yeah, so this is a 26, this bike here is a 26, and this is also a 26. Yeah, so like I said, these are Kenda tires. I don't know the exact model number. The new tires I'm getting for this are Kenda K838s, which the 838s are similar to this, except there's no side tread on them. They're nice and smooth for the road, so I'll probably get better grip on the street and probably be able to go a little bit faster with them. The plan is that, I mean, there's nothing wrong with these here. Just the reason I want to take them off is because these Kendas I'm getting are red, so I think they will kind of look cool on this bike. The plan is that I want to take these good tires off of this bike and put them on the Nishiki, because the Nishiki has these mountain bike tires, which are just not that fun to use when you're riding in the street, which I rarely ever, go on the trails. So I don't take the Nishiki out that much because of these tires, really. So these tires should work perfectly on the Nishiki here. And let's see, the reason I say that is, yeah, they are both 26. All three of these bikes are 26-inch tires. But they are technically different sizes. See this bike here, the Versata Riviera, it's I don't know if you can see that on film here, but it's a 26 by 1.95. That is just kind of generic. That's not really an exact measurement. This one here is a 26 by 2.10, and this bike here is a 26 by 1.95. So supposedly, according to those generic standards, this tire and this tire are the same measurements. However, that's not actually true. The international standard is called ISO and bead seat diameter. That's this number right here. So on the Versato tires here, the Kenner tires here, that's 50 is the ISO, which ISO is the measurement of like how wide the tire is when fully inflated. That's 50 millimeters. That's what that first number means. Then the second number, 559, that's the bead seat diameter, which that is the width of the tire in millimeters, the diameter of the tire in millimeters. So 559 millimeters does not actually translate to 26 inches. I actually looked this up on Google, and I can't remember what it is. It's 26 is close to 559, but as you can see, it's actually, well, okay, you can't see that very clearly on the phone, but it's actually 26 inches in millimeters is actually 660.4. So your ISO and your bead seat diameter are going to be more of a standard size. Like, you can't really walk into a bike shop and say that you need 26 tires, because that doesn't really tell them much. So this is 559, and it's a 26. This is 559, and it's also a 26, so that tells me that these tires are going to be compatible with with these rims here. And this one right here is 53 by 559, so they would work on here as well. But I'm not really doing much with this bike. Yes. So, oh yeah, and so since this is also 1.95 inches tall, just also very generic, you can see the ISO for here on this is labeled 53, but 1.95, 1.95 on this one. On here, this bike is actually 50, which is more evidence that, the 26 by whatever insert number here is not actually a standard size, that it's just generic. So, yeah, hopefully that's a good lesson for you, where you have a better understanding of ISO and bead seat diameter. Any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll try and answer them as best I can. Yeah, so the Kenda K838 tires that I'm getting, they should be coming in the next couple of days. So there'll be a whole other video happening when those come in. See you guys next time.